DJ Sonic.
What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. So I actually just got back from Ed's house, but before we go on with today's video, the portion of the video I'm about to play right now, Ed's going to explain the process of if you want to rebuild, or if you want to rebuild your m90 supercharger snout, the best way to remove the bearings and stuff, so you can order the parts from him and repair it. So that's going to be on there, and then he's going to explain what we got going on as far as the jack shaft, the studs, and how everything is going to work. I tried to explain it before, but he's better off explaining it. So go ahead and enjoy this segment.
So this will push through. M90 pulley removal. So we already pressed the shaft out of the pulley and dropped it out of the housing. So here's how you take the bearing off the shaft on the other side. Pretty loud. About to pause. So what I normally do is I take, and I'll always pause this item. Justin, hand me a piece of Scotch-Brite if there's one on the corner.
We're not allowed to have them work.
So this is where the seal rides. You see the shiny spots? So what we do is we take a piece of Scotch-Brite and just get the shine off it. So you give a new surface for the seal to break in. Wipe it off again. So now you're going to put it back together in reverse order.
That is 101 on how to rebuild a M90 supercharger snout.
Yeah, I mean that's how you take it apart. So. And
all the parts is available on your eBay store.
Standard SKF bearings and SKF seal. Don't open them until you're ready to rebuild it.
All available in Quality Supercharger store at eBay. So if you ever need supercharger parts for the M90, or you want to rebuild the snout and stuff like that, Ed has everything on his website.
Okay, we got 12.9 studs that we are going to get almost 20 millimeters of engagement. We've got a hardened steel washer that's oversized, and so when he torques this to roughly 60 foot-pounds, it's going to distribute the load, and all that's going to go to stretching the stud and distributing the load. So he won't have an issue going forward. If something breaks, the stud, once it breaks, will back out by hand.
The benefit of the stud being you can get full engagement. There is no bottoming out a stud. The stud will always be full strength because you are never loading it without it being fully threaded.
Okay, now we're back. Hope that was informative for you. Well, what we're gonna do today is I'm literally just gonna, as I got my head back, let me take this out real quick. Let's see, so this is where it was damaged, or not damaged, but it was, the bolt was stuck in right there. Everything, all the threads has been cleaned up, ready to go. And here's all my hardware in this bag right here. The studs and everything's in there, and the same type of washers that's used on ARP head studs. This actually is ARP heads or ARP studs, but yeah. So that's everything we need right there in the head. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna, because I don't have the gaskets yet, I am actually just going to just set the heads on there, set the lower intake manifold and the plenum on, just so my motor is not exposed to atmosphere. And then I'm gonna go on and go underneath the car and clean everything up. So I'll be right back. All right, so as I was about to wipe everything down on the bottom, I realized I don't have any rags. So I think that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow I need to go get some microfiber towels, and I need to get an oil filter anyway because I need to change the oil. So yeah, I'm going to just wrap it right here. So as you can see, I got this everything just laying on there. Like I said, just so my motor is closed. It's not out in the atmosphere. So all right, well, we got some progress. You know, we got everything we need to get the car almost put back together. We just need the gaskets, and then when I get this car running again, we're gonna do a ride along video. So stay tuned for that. So all right, when I get myself situated, I'll be back on with another video. But until then, I'll catch you on the next one.